The mirror doesn't care. Stop looking for the secret. There is no secret. You already know what you need to do. You just don't want to do it. You want the six-pack, but you love the couch. You want the business, but you love the weekend. You want the respect, but you love the excuses. You are in a war with your own comfort, and your comfort is winning. Here is why you fail. You think motivation hits first. It doesn't. Action hits first. You move, then the fire comes. You start, then the confidence comes. You are waiting for a feeling that only comes after you do the work you've been avoiding. Stop negotiating with yourself. You told yourself you'd wake up early. Then the alarm went off and you made a deal. Just 10 more minutes. That deal cost you your discipline. Stop making deals. Here's the fix. When the alarm goes off, your feet hit the floor before your brain can talk you out of it. When the work is hard, you lean in, not back. Imagine 6 months from now. You didn't quit. You did the boring stuff every day. The body changed. The bank account changed. The respect changed. All because you stopped trusting your feelings and started trusting your schedule. The person you want to be, they are already inside you, but they are buried under a pile of excuses. It's time to dig. Stop thinking. Stop scrolling. Start moving. Do it today. Do it ugly if you have to.